Type a sentence, get a professional image. No Photoshop, no design degree needed. Welcome to AI image generation. The main tools that we can use for generating images with a prompt is DAL-E, Midjourney, Artistic, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo.ai. I will put all of that in the description below. But for this demo, we will use DAL-E since many of you already use ChatGPT. For this demo, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate an image from a prompt. Now, what all can you create? You can create social media graphics, blog header images, presentation visuals, product mockups, concept art, logos. You can pretty much create any image that your brain can think of. When writing the prompt for generating images, make sure that you have a subject, a style, some details, and the composition or the lighting details. And I will show you some prompts that has all these capabilities. So let's break down the prompt. The first thing is subject. So in my example, golden retriever puppy is the subject. Now style, I want this puppy in a watercolor painting style. What details? Playing in autumn leaves, and lighting, warm afternoon sunlight, and close up portrait. These details are enough to generate an image for you. Now let's look at some demos. Now, when you log into chatgpt.com, if you click on the plus and you click on create image, now any prompt I put in will generate an image. So we start with this first demo where I'm asking ChatGPT to create a professional Instagram post image for a coffee shop. Modern minimalistic style, warm tones, overhead view of a latte with leaf art, and so on. And I have asked to include negative space or some blank space on the right side of that for text overlay. So if I post on Insta, I can write some text and I'll have some space. Please note, ChatGPT may take more seconds or couple of minutes to generate the images. So I had already created the image for you with the same prompt. So it generated this image for me. So you look at the image, it has some blank space on the right for us to write something and post it on Instagram. It has a latte with whatever features you've asked. It's there in the image. Now let's look at another example. In this example, I'm asking to create a blog post image. And the blog post is about productivity. It's a clean, modern image, abstract representation of organization, and so on. So whatever are your specifications, you can ask. And even if you don't know what to ask, you can give the context of the blog, ask ChatGPT the prompt that you need to write in ChatGPT to get the image. So it's wonderful. If you don't know what to type, brainstorm with ChatGPT to create a prompt. This might take a couple of minutes to generate on the free account. You can always upgrade and pay for a monthly subscription to get faster speeds. But let's look at other examples and we can come back to this later. Now, in this example, I am creating a cozy home office workspace, modern Scandinavian design, and whatever specifications you have to give, and you just click enter. And now again, it will take 2 minutes to generate. Let's generate another image. And this time I want to create an image of a minimalistic skincare product bottle on a marble surface. Hopefully the first design is ready. So it created a blog post image about productivity. If you don't like it, you can reiterate, give more details to get another image. It's still taking few minutes. Now, this is a perfect example for you to know if you're on a free account and if you use ChatGPT or any other AI agent continuously until the tokens expire, you might encounter this issue a lot that you've reached your limit. And it will tell you when you can start all over again. So it is in this case, it is asking me to either upgrade to a paid plan or try again tomorrow after 3:20 p.m. Now this image is generated. I hope you get the idea. Now let's review the prompting tips. Like I said earlier, be very specific in the prompt. The earlier example I gave you about golden retriever puppy. So it's dog or golden retriever puppy. For the style, you can write photography, watercolor, cartoon, 3D render, etc. For lighting, natural, dramatic, soft, golden hour, and you can find other names to describe lighting. For composition, a close-up shot, a wide shot, an overhead view, a portrait shot, and so on. Just keep the prompt in mind. It's subject, details, style, and lighting or composition. And that will help you generate the prompts for the images that you need. You can add a twist to the prompt. You can add a reference style, like in the style of Studio Ghibli, which was the latest trend, or like a Vogue photo shoot, and so on. So ChatGPT knows what kind of image you're asking. Now make sure that you're aware of some limitations. You can't create images of real people. Read usage rights for commercial reuse. If you generate an image, always look at the rights if you can use that commercially. Some tools have content restrictions. AI art is controversial. Be respectful of human artists. Now, again, a challenge. Create an image for something you need, a social post, a presentation, whatever, a recipe or a dish. Share your prompt and the result in the comments. Now, in the next video, we will write content that engages, blogs, captions, scripts. Thank you.